Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. David and I woke up in Hamburg, Germany this morning. We were here for like
18 hours maybe.
Yeah, maybe 18 hours. We went to the Christmas markets yesterday. If you missed this video, I'll link it up here. But we are all packed and ready and leaving right now. We're gonna head back to the train station. We're gonna ride for like 5 or 6 hours to get to Amsterdam for the last little leg of our trip. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. But that is what we're doing today. So our train this morning was canceled, so we are going to take the next one, which is like about an hour later. So stopped, got some coffee. Hopefully we are on our way now to get on the right train and get on our way. As we were moving our suitcases before a bird was pooping, and if I didn't move David's arm, it would have been right on our stuff. So it's just a day already. So our new train was delayed, so we will see if we even make it, because now we are scheduled to not make our connection because we have to switch trains for this. So So today is not going very smoothly yet. First train being like delayed made us miss the connection, and then the backup connection was canceled. And then we found a train, but the train split and we were on the wrong section of the split. So now we're just at a random little station, hopefully waiting on another train. We're not getting to Amsterdam anytime soon though, so it's lovely. We finally made it!
I'm so happy.
I am too.
After the stressful day.
We are at our hotel in Amsterdam. This is the one city I did a bunch of research for, so I feel prepared on activities, things I want to see and do, and this is one hotel that I chose and booked, and I think it's so cute. I will show you. I just love it so much so far. It has a lot of character. So you come in.
We have a couch for sitting, laying, maybe don't want that.
David.
We have another chair for sitting. We have a bed for sleeping.
Look at how nice this looks. And David looks nice too.
Yeah, thank you.
But this couch is like a, I don't know, it's like a mustard yellow. It really reminds me of like those nugget
little
couches.
Little waffle candy things.
Yeah, and we were given little candies by our bed, which is so nice. They're shaped like hearts. So this is where we are staying.
Bathroom looks like.
It's cute.
Shower.
Ooh, this
hello.
is our bathroom. Oh, nice.
This is the first tub we've had.
First tub. So nice.
What's this? Shower cap?
Yeah.
Sewing kit.
Oh, fun. So yeah, I think the rest of the day we need to eat. We haven't had a meal really all day. Just like snacking here and there. But then I think tonight, I'm not exactly sure what all we want to do like today versus tomorrow, because with the stop in Hamburg, our time in Amsterdam was really cut short. I think tonight for sure, David and I want to go to like the Body Worlds museum and exhibits. I used to be actually in PT school, so I really like muscles and like the human body and everything like that. And I've been to a museum like this, but I think it would be cool to go to this one specifically. So I would like to do that tonight. They're open till 10. They recommend 2 hours to go through it. But other than that, if we run into Christmas markets, Christmas lights tomorrow, I think we want to do the canal cruise, and they have like the light fest going on. So I'd love to book a time that's like, the sun doesn't really like set here. It's just like cloudy skies all day. But I would love to do the time slot where like it's still light, you can see things, and then as you're like coming back in, like all the lights around, so you like have like a lit canal cruise and then a lighted Christmas like canal cruise, if that makes sense. But we also meet with a local photographer tomorrow morning and we get pictures taken, and so tomorrow's gonna be a really fun day, and I just want to be sure that we see everything. So I want to also cram some stuff into tonight. So that is our plan. That is what we're doing. We'll keep you updated. It should turn into a better day now that we've arrived. So we had some food. I wouldn't even say it's dinner because it was super early, but we made it to the Christmas market here. We walked a little over a mile, and now we're just walking around exploring. So I don't know if we'll still make it to the museum or not, but we will see. So it is the next day. I absolutely loved the body museum last night. Thought it was so interesting, so cool, especially since my favorite class I've ever taken was a gross anatomy class where we like had our own cadaver to like work on. So it was really awesome to see. I loved it. But thank you for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!